Hey there, everyone. So today I want to dive into a hot topic that's been making waves across Canada, the housing crisis, and how it ties into immigration. Is immigration really to blame for our skyrocketing home prices and rents? Let's break it down. First, let's talk numbers. Canada is planning to scale back its immigration targets for the next few years, aiming to bring in fewer new permanent residents. The government is cutting down from the previous target of 500,000 to somewhere between 365,000 and 395,000 per year. This is a big shift for Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, who has always advocated for a welcoming approach towards immigrants and refugees. So why the change? Well, one major reason is the strain on our housing market and social services. Canada's housing market is the most expensive among G7 nations, and public sentiment is shifting. People are worried that the influx of newcomers is making it even harder to find affordable housing. But here's where it gets tricky. While some argue that immigration is a big factor, others point fingers at investors. Real estate has turned into a gold mine for private investors and real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These folks are buying up huge chunks of housing stock, driving up prices and focusing on profits over affordability. Critics say blaming immigrants is a distraction. They believe the real culprits are these investors who treat housing as a commodity, not a social good. They argue for more regulation, higher taxes on investor-owned properties, and a stronger push for building affordable public housing. Let's not forget, it's not just foreign investors causing this issue. Domestic investors also play a big role. When a few big players control a lot of the housing market, competition decreases and prices go up. So what does this mean for us? Tackling the housing crisis isn't about picking one side. It's about understanding that it's a multifaceted problem. We need to address both the demand-side factors, like investor activity, and the supply-side constraints, such as the lack of affordable housing options. In the end, the narrative that immigration alone is to blame for Canada's housing woes is oversimplified. It's a complex issue that requires coordinated action from all levels of government. We need to find a balance that supports economic growth while ensuring everyone has access to affordable housing. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay informed.